Hey, 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 hey. Hello. Okay, so I have decided to start a YouTube channel about makeup. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. This is my third time trying to tape this damn introduction video. Can you feel? And I'm like, yeah. Oh my god. This is an entire shit show and a half. So let's try this again. I've always wanted to do a makeup YouTube channel. And I figured, why the hell not? Because we're in the middle of a pandemic and I am going into summer vacation, meaning I won't even have like the mornings to work anymore like I have been in the past few weeks. So I'm going to be sitting in my apartment alone. Nothing to do. I'm going insane. Anyways, so this is my first YouTube video for this special YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel I have created for makeup because I love makeup, okay? Like, it is a love affair that started when I was in college. One of the things I love about makeup is if you're like me and you like to go all out every day, you can, right? You have that option. Or if you think, I'm kind of not really into the everyday, like going all out, I just want something nice and subtle that'll give me an extra boost of confidence, you can do that. That's what this whole channel is going to be about. First of all, it's going to be about makeup, the positivity of you do you. It's not just about like doing makeup and accepting the makeup looks that you can do. It's also about like accepting yourself and your own personal physique, okay? Right now, one of the biggest problems that I am having with recording these videos is that I have this double chin. And every time I watch back one of the videos I record, I'm like, damn it, it's still there. But guess what? It's part of me. So it's always going to be there. Anyways, so, okay, if you look at YouTube, you look at a lot of the tutorials that are being put out today, it's a lot of like very intense detail work. They're doing like a big old Bob Ross painting on their face. Excuse me, wow. Burp right in the middle of that line. Or like they're doing this like very fancy sharp cat eye with the pointed liner. I have done a good cat eye exactly once in my life, and all these sharp angles and edges, which if you can do that, great, do that. Me on the other hand, I am not artistic in the least. Might be able to draw you like a stick figure if you really wanted it, but also he would be crooked. You know, that's just how it goes. Essentially, I love makeup. I love doing makeup. The problem is, I absolutely suck at the process. I guarantee you, if anyone who actually knows anything about makeup finds this channel and watches my videos, they're gonna be traumatized because I literally have such a weird process of like, I'm gonna use this tool to do this when it's not really supposed to do that. I don't own blush. I use eyeshadow every day and just hope no one notices. Like, I have very rudimentary skills to speak of in any area, okay? The whole thing about being the disaster makeup artist, literally every day there are at least 3 mini breakdowns in my routine. Like I said, no artistic talent. I am absolutely the worst when it comes to drawing or painting or anything. Example A, this jewelry box I made for my mother for Mother's Day once. You might think, you know, that's not so bad for like a first or second grader, but I made that when I was in 6th grade, okay? And so I have no artsiness about me. So the makeup looks you see, like people are always saying, wow, I could never do something like that. Yes, you can, because if I can do it, you can do it. And the honest truth of it is, I'm not just a disaster in my makeup routine, I also happen to be a genuine disaster when it comes to living my own damn life. I got fired from my job. I had to move all the way across the country from Midwest to Arizona, moved back in with my parents, which is everybody's dream, I know. Had to find a new job, had to find new friends, had to find an entirely new life. And then I started having health problems. And I still have those. I found out that I have a hereditary condition. But you know, even with all that bullshit I went through, no, it came out pretty okay. Like, yeah, it hurt while I was going through it, and yeah, it all just looked like a giant mess where I didn't know what I was doing with my life or, like, where I was going to go with my future. But I've landed on my feet. I have an amazing job. I have amazing friends here. I have opportunities here in Arizona that I never would have had before. And so even though in the middle of all that it looked like an absolute shit storm, it turned out okay. That's kind of what makeup is too, the makeup of it. You know, while I'm doing it, do I look like I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. I don't look like it because I don't know what the I'm doing. But at the end, it looks okay. You know, it doesn't always look the best. You can see that these aren't even, right? But it looks okay. And so that's kind of what I want to do with this channel. Just show how in makeup and in life, even though things might be a shit show right there in the middle, it'll be okay. Nothing to stress about, right? I hope you enjoyed the eventual videos you will find on here. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like my video. I think that's everything. We talked about that. I made the joke about the stick figure. We did not talk about. And even if it's not, I'm done. I'm done recording these stupid videos because fourth time is the, damn it, I trimmed it wrong.